This video will show how to install the wheels on the lower end of your folding van ramp. The wheels are not put on in the factory due to damage during shipping, so they're included in your bag that you get with your owner's manual and the tools to install the wheel. Now, what you will notice on the wheel, bolt may or may not be inserted, but there is a spacer there and one side is recessed. So when you put the bolt on, it's very important to put it on the recessed side. This will act as a spacer so the wheel can spin. You simply install it into the threaded wheeled approach plate, tightening it with your hand as far as it will go, and then you insert the nut on the inside. And we're going to go ahead and use the Allen wrench and the 1/2-inch socket and tighten this up. You will see now that the wheel spins freely. It's important to note it is natural to have a little spacing when the unit is assembled to allow for wheel movement. On this side of the wheeled approach plate, we've demonstrated what happens if you put the bolt on the spacer. What will happen is the wheel will then become firm and tight against the wheeled approach plate and not allowing it to spin. This is not spinning. So very important on the orientation of the bolt to put it on the recessed side. Your ramp is now ready to install.